morning, everyone. Yeah, at the moment we are here in Kensington. No, Kingston. Yeah, the first time I saw it, it was Kensington. Yeah, it's Kingston here in Tasmania, and they have this beautiful street. Actually, this one at the back is a shopping mall. There is a banks here. There is Woolworths, BWS, gym, petrol station, and that mountain, if I'm not mistaken, is the Mount Wellington. Looks, I'm actually now looking for a place to have a breakfast. I still have coffee in my van, in my car, rented car. It's still hot, but yeah, I want to sit down, relax, while having coffee and something to eat. So we're going to walk around here. And there is another shopping area here with Coles, Dairy White, Kmart, and some other. Yesterday, I spent most of my time at the Botanical Gardens in Hobart. Yeah, a lot of beautiful flowers that I've seen for the first time. Yeah, really nice. I actually want to sit somewhere I can see the Mount Wellington. And there is one popular coffee shop here in Tasmania. Yeah, I've seen a lot. They are everywhere. This one, this Banjus Bakery. Yeah, this is everywhere around here in Tasmania, in Hobart particularly. They have different sandwiches. Looks delicious actually. Also different pie. Looks delicious too. And different tarts. And cakes. And I'm having this. This is actually really good when it is a little warm, but they don't do that. just get out from the Banjo's Bakery Cafe. Yeah, and yeah, like what I've said, I've seen a lot of this brand around here in Tasmania. Yeah, and I check in Google Map, and they have more around. And they also have some in New South Wales, around Australia, but yeah, not much. Mostly are here in Tasmania. Yeah, nice. It's good to see something like that. A local, and I check in the history. It's actually a locally Tasmanian brand. Very nice. And I was sitting there for over 2 hours, and I am actually parked down here over 3 hours already. I don't know how much is the limit. Yeah, maybe 3 hours. I actually did not see the time limit to park here. Yeah, maybe same 3 hours, or maybe no limit. And like what I've said, yeah, the temperature is cold here. Let me check the temperature. Yeah, in Nelson Bay it is 23 degree centigrade, and it is cloudy, and for sure that is also humid. Then here in Hobart it's 19 degrees centigrade and feels like 15 degrees, so it is cold. Yeah, all people that I've seen along the way, they are wearing long sleeve sweater, jacket. Yeah, actually this one, I really feel the cold. One more layer is better. Residential area already in this part, just next to the town center, and then there is roundabout, commercial area, and residential this area. But let's keep on moving down there. Oh, I see a KFC. Yeah, this is the first time that I've seen international fast food chain. Oh, actually I've seen Subway. Oh, actually not residential area. Maybe this area, this side, residential, but yeah, still a commercial area. This side. And like what I've said, over there are the fast food chains. I see Hungry Jack, KFC. Oh, and there is a small cemetery here. Oh yeah, McDonald's is also over there. And in this area there is the Brony Islands, where the vehicle can go inside the ferry to go to the islands. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. Yeah, there is another shopping area here with this Ripco, Pitburn, J-Core. Yeah, and also all the fast food chains. This is what I'm having. So yeah, this is Kingston, and it is surrounded by mountain. And if I'm not mistaken, the other side of that is the beach area. Not really sure. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, I actually end up staying in this apartment, but this is in booking.com. Yeah, this is $132, and it's good. Actually, it's really good. I just took a shower. It is already 9:20. I'm preparing to check out. So yesterday, coming from KFC, I suddenly become lazy and decided to just stay in apartment, in hotel. So this is the bedroom. Actually a big bedroom. It's bigger than my room in my previous apartment and my current apartment. Getting out of the bedroom, you're going to see this outside. Outside is very good too. Lots of plants, lots of flowers, green. Yeah, this is the door, and then there is another door here. This is the kind of living area. There's a big television here, and this is the toilet, shower and toilet. And getting out of the room again of the living area, there is this dryer, and there is this another space here. And this is the kitchen. Yeah, they have all the kitchen equipment. I actually use the washing machine to wash my clothes. I also use the coffee maker, also the kettle. Yeah, they have things also for cooking. The basic like soy sauce, olive oil. Also for washing, they have laundry soap. I also use this dryer. Yeah. Also lots of plants inside here. Also some sleepers. So yeah, this is a nice hotel room. Not hotel, but yeah, apartment. This is actually just the backyards. There is a second floor and there is another kind of room at the front. It's so beautiful here. Yeah, all the houses, they are covered with the beautiful plants, flowers like this. And look at this beautiful, how it is beautiful like that. Yeah, nice. Yeah, it's good to see like this. The houses over there, the sea, really beautiful. I'm going to move a little bit higher so I can see how really beautiful it is. Amazing. Really nice. Yeah. Houses also, they are beautiful in here. And the temperature is just so good. Yeah. Look at that. Amazing. Okay, let's go now. And so I am now here in the line, of the vehicle that is going to ride the ferry going to Brony Island. This is a marina area. Lots of boat, fishing boat, some yacht also. This particular area, I don't forget the name. I think it's Kittering. The ferry is now moving, and it feels very slow, but it's actually fast. It is fast because I can see it from that water, the movement of the water. And these are some of the passengers of the vehicle. They just get down, and now they are just watching the water, the view. Yeah, there is actually even a truck at the back. Yeah, and there is the operator of the ferry over there. And we are arriving at the port wharf. I can see that there are also lots of cars over there waiting for their turn to get up in here in this ferry. Looks like it's going to hit the front of the first vehicle.